Welcome back to the channel. So it's gonna be a very quiet video. Today I am in Grândola. It's a small town 2 hours away from Lisbon. I am here for a yoga retreat. It's the third day of the yoga retreat already. Tomorrow will be the last day. I really enjoy my time here. I'm here with 5 other girls and our beloved yoga instructors, and they've set this amazing place for us, and it's a great schedule. I just want to do this video. I want to remember here and remember what I have felt for my future self. So today is 3 takeaways I want my future self to remember from the yoga retreat. The first thing I want myself to remember is that morning is really the best time. So here every morning we wake up before 6 a.m. and the sunrise here, it's around 6:30, and then we'll walk downstairs to there's a patio. We'll be able to watch the sunrise at the same time, meditate. I didn't realize how powerful it is to experience this. It just reminded me that when we move together with the rhythm of the nature and we move together with the sun, a lot of things just seem to fall into places and new energy emerge inside of me, even though before the sunrise it's kind of freezing. It actually, in contrast, makes you feel like how powerful it is the sun is. So number 2 is allow myself to slow down and to listen to my body. It's very difficult when you're in the city every day and doing the same thing, and all the noise was never quiet down. Whereas here you can listen to the sound of the nature. It's like an orchestra. You hear the sound of the wind, the sound of the birds, and all the other insects and all the other animals nearby. They're just like doing this wave after wave of the sound, and also it triggers me to really quiet down as well of my mind, and a lot of thoughts that come to my mind that I haven't thought about like for a long time. A lot of inspirations, a lot of thoughts that I needed to hear in my mind once that I've been ignoring them in the past because I was so busy. So I just want to remember that, and maybe in the future I should do these kind of quiet practice every now and then. So here we practice silence every morning. It's actually quite liberating. You just need to show up for yourself. After the practice, you show up for yourself, listen to yourself, get together your thoughts, and get ready for the day. Number 3 is trust the process. I'm practicing yoga quite regularly since 2018, and what I haven't realized until this time is how much I have improved. Actually, I have improved quite a lot, but more of the way that I can move smoothly in the flow. I didn't realize that until in the morning we are not even guided to do the sun salutation. It's just we're watching the sun, and I feel like there's a power in me guiding me to do the movement together with the sun. I guess that's the power of consistency, and that's the power of habit, and that's the power of the process. I just want my future self, to remember that if it can happen just in about 3 to 5 years time for yoga, it can happen for anything else that I want to achieve. If I want to achieve anything, as long as I make efforts, as long as I trust the process, it will always happen. Today's video is really just a short one for myself. Really appreciate that you're tuning in. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like it. share with your friends and family. I will see you next time.